Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bring on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. We are possibly seeing an interesting structure forming, which could indicate a 20k Bitcoin in the next move to the downside. But what needs to happen? Well, let's look at the charts. So zooming out on the daily chart, we can see that before a double bottom formation around December last year, we've been continuously moving to the upside in the market maker structure. However, we could be in for a bigger reversal to the downside. If we create this double top formation, we need to see a pump and a recovery of these volume candles to the upside, and that we stop in this area around 31k, 32k, and break this low to the downside at 28.8k. So I'm expecting somewhat of a move to the upside before an attempt to the 28k area. If we break that and close below it on the 1 hour time frame, 26k is imminent, and the target after that is at 20.4k. So we could see something like this, where we go to 26.8k, move again up to 29k, another step to the downside to 23, up to 26 possibly, and then we could bottom out at 20.6k and form a double bottom formation. That's something I'm looking at least. I'm not trading this until I get a confirmation. We are still in our third and final leg possibly before we form a double top formation. We don't see it yet on the daily time frame or on the 1 hour time frame as well. We need to wait for that confirmation and then you trade. You do whatever you want to do. This is not financial advice, but that's what I'm looking at least. Another pump to the upside above 30k, and then we could see a drop to the downside. Same thing is going on in the stock market as well. If we take a look at that quickly, take a look at Nasdaq. If we zoom out a bit, we saw a double bottom formation, blah blah blah, and could possibly be seeing a double top formation of some kind in this area. As you can see, S&P 500 looking even juicier. If we look on the weekly time frame, you can see what we see right here. If this breaks, if this double top formation is formed and breaks this low right here, we are moving to at least this volume candle right here at 2,286, which would send Bitcoin approximately to 10k. But that's another story. This on the weekly time frame, and yeah, we are day trading here, so we're just talking about the next moves on the lower time frames. And that's what I said, we could see a pump and then a dump, and if we break this and close on the 1 hour candle below 28.8k, we could see a 20k Bitcoin. Looking at news events, this week was a heavy one. Next week, however, is quite slow. We don't have much going on. We have the unemployment claims, job openings, and on-farm employment change on Friday. Quite a slow week. Not a lot's gonna move the market in terms of news events from the Fed. Looking at the liquidation map, we can see a big liquidation cluster here up to 30.3k, and as I said, a lot of money is in this area. We have open orders, i.e. volume candles which are uncovered, and if we get rejected from 30.3k approximately and move down to 28k again, that is where we have a double top formation, and we could move to these liquidation points to the downside. But let's see what happens, and let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink kind of shown us the same structure as Bitcoin, double bottom, first leg up, second leg up, and third and final leg up currently, as you can see, rejecting the $8.5 area and we're currently moving up. We could move up to get another attempt at the $8.5 area. And if we break this low right here, I'm going to mark it up for you at approximately $7.28. That is where we get a double top formation confirmation. And as I said, if you zoom out a bit, approximately 1 year, you can see that we've been in this zone, accumulation zone, from $8.5 approximately down to $6. And what you need to do is to go long at the $6 area, taking profit at the $8.5, and then going short in the same time, riding it down to $6 and vice versa. If you've been doing that for a year, you are probably rich by now. And we are currently at the $8.5 area. You could start building your shorts and take profit on your longs if you are in it. Not financial advice, but we could see that forming again. We have a double top formation. We have 3 hits to the upside. I do think we're gonna go to $6 again. Not financial advice, but we've been conforming to this zone for over a year, and we're trading on probabilities, not what we wish to happen. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned something. Big Boss out.